What's up, guys? So we were trying to decide what to do between the RV being gone and our big trip to Asia, and we thought we would come explore our hometown in Port St. Lucie, where we just bought our house. So follow us now for a tour of Pioneer Park.
Taking my chances along with my dreams.
So this is what you do between RV and going to explore the world. You get together with your friends and you come and explore the town you live into, right?
Yeah. And it's
right,
a beautiful night tonight.
Gorgeous.
We're
wonderful ladies together.
Yes. And we came to listen to the band, so we brought our coolers and chairs.
And
and our husbands. And our husbands. Yeah, we brought them too.
Did we bring those? No.
Did we? Apparently we left them because they're nowhere here. So we're going to take you on a tour around the park because there's a band playing. The music is really good. Do you know the name of the band?
The Sierra Band?
Sierra Band. And we're going to take you to listen to the Sierra Band while we find our husbands and give you a tour of the park. Gorman food truck empanadas were absolutely delicious. He's not only at this event, but he's in Tradition on Sundays and in Fort Pierce and Saturday Food Market. If you like empanadas, you should definitely try Kyle's empanadas. Absolutely yummy.
No, we don't have a lot of money. 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 All we need is love. Free as you'll ever be. Just as free. Free as you'll ever be. And never
Georgie. How cool is that? This is the perfect time to come down here when the sun is getting ready to set and the boats are passing by. So beautiful. This park, Pioneer Park, is located right in the heart of Port St. Lucie. It took a couple years, I want to say, to build because I used to come walking in the area and there was boards up and it was taped off for a while. but it was so worth the wait because it's absolutely beautiful. They did such a nice job, and they're not finished yet because they're going to put in a restaurant right underwater, and they're going to put in a tiki bar and such. And I feel that this was really, really needed into Port St. Lucie, because when you come to Florida, you expect to come to places on the water, right? And all towns up and down the coast of Florida, all the downtown areas are on the water, but Port St. Lucie did not have this. So this is so nice now that Port St. Lucie has this kind of like downtown area on the water. And even before they put in the restaurant, you're very close to restaurants right around the corner, like Lefty's, one of our favorite wing places. And this is so pretty. Look, you can watch the boats going up and down. A few nights ago, I guess it was last week, I was driving to get something for dinner, and the sunset was beautiful. And I headed towards the botanical gardens, and when I pulled over, I was like, oh my gosh, this park is finished. So it's right next to the botanical gardens into St. Lucie. It's right off the corner of Port St. Lucie Boulevard and Westmoreland, right behind the botanical gardens. Really easy to find. And they have this river walk that goes all along. I believe it goes under the bridge to the other side where there's restaurants located there as well. There's some areas where you can pull in with your boat. So it's so pretty. It's nice to walk in the daytime as well. For early morning walks, that's like my favorite time to come walking. But now, because the boardwalk is on the west side, you can watch the sun going down, and it's so nice. I've seen some like really cool boats going up and down here. It's just beautiful. So if you are visiting Port St. Lucie, if you live in Port St. Lucie and you haven't visited this park, it's a must. I believe the grand opening was like last fall when we were traveling. So we missed that, and I totally forgot about it when we came back to town. But what they do between October and I want to say April is they have a music by the river. So I think it's the second Thursday of every month. They have different bands, and you can go to their website, which is right here, and you can see which bands are playing. So we came to see Sierra Band, which I didn't even know what band was playing, but I knew I wanted to come down to this park and just, you know, be here. The weather's so beautiful right now, and I guess they stop in the middle of April. I'm thinking it's too hot to do it in the summer, and plus in the winter we have all the snowbirds who come down, so the area is super busy with tourists. But I'm guessing in the summer it's more because of the heat. Although on the water there's always a little bit of a breeze. Even in the summertime there's a little bit more of a breeze than you go out west. It's much hotter out west. But it's very entertaining here because there's a jet ski, but there's boats and jet skis all the time. And in the middle of this park is this amazing tree. Let me show you. There it is. And you see there's the where you can pull your boats up. There's several areas where you can pull your boats up there. I have some close-ups with that tree, but here's a view from far away. Isn't that amazing? So pretty, right? Oh dang, tree climbing prohibited. I so wanted to climb this tree. Look how easy the branches are. And look how cool this is, the way it goes down into kind of like an adjoining tree. That is so amazing, right? I'd love to know how old it is. Really an amazing tree. So I'm not sure what all types of activities they have around here. I'm sure besides music on the water, they do other events as well. But there's a really nice kids playground. So if you are in town, if you live in the area, this is such a pretty place to bring your little kids and big kids to. I'm going to take you on a tour
of the playground as well. This is super cool and so perfect for Florida, right? Wow. Very creative. The one who designed this giant gator. There, have a look inside the mouth. This is the only gator I want to get this close to. Unless it's a baby, of course. That's different. The lazy log. Secret stroll. Oh, that's cool. That swing is very unusual, right? Let's follow the lazy log. Secret stroll. Let's go check out the Peacock Playhouse. There's water fountains. I don't know until what time this park is open until, but they have very nice outdoor lights. This is cute, a sandbox, a little playhouse. I heard a lot about, there's a little music maker over there. And I heard there's a splash pad. The kids love the splash pad. Oh, look at this. Backwater blackboard. That is neat. Prayer, believe it, done it. Not asking to get it done. Go Mets. The swings, of course, like every good park. I'm guessing the water park would be really cool. I mean, really cool in the summer. Probably the favorite part of this park. Banyan Basin. Perfect. Look at this wall, guys. It's a living wall where the name is. It's all succulents. There's probably like several hundred succulents here. How nice is that? Just beautiful. And this is still a work in progress, as I was sharing, because they still have more development. So I'm guessing in another year or so, there'll be a whole lot more going on here. But you can walk like all around. You can catch the sunset. You can bring your kids to play, even when there's no events going on. So we highly recommend this park. The city did a really, really nice job with this. And you can walk from the park right over to the botanical gardens. The trails lead all around the botanical gardens. So when you visit one, you can visit the other. You can go from here to the botanical gardens or vice versa. I did a video last year with the botanical gardens. Well worth your visit. My best friend, one of my best friends, volunteers at the botanical gardens, and she shared all her knowledge onto the plants. So you can go over and check that video out on our channel as well. But in today's video, I wanted to share this with you because our last videos for the last few weeks has been all about the changes, you know, in our lives, all that we've been going through with buying the house, selling the RV. And before we get ready to head out on our big trip across the world, we thought, you know, let's spend some downtime exploring, you know, the town we live into. And I'm so happy we came to explore this part because it's just beautiful. Don't you agree? That Is that a lawnmower? Oh my goodness. How cool is that? What? And it works because the grass looks cut. Sometimes when we're traveling so much, we kind of forget or we take for granted how beautiful the places we live into are, right? I mean, we love where we live, but we love to explore other places. As you know, we've traveled the biggest part of this country, and now we want to explore a little bit more of that big world out there. But let's not take for granted the places we live into, because this is really beautiful. If you live in the Port St. Lucie area, or if you have visited this park, drop us a note into the comments and let us know if you love this park as much as we do. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It helps us tremendously as we try to build our channel. If you have time, I keep asking you to go back and check out some of our previous videos, because we have 340 videos or more, you know, places we visited. So if they can help you make a decision on where to go, I would be so grateful that you go and check those videos out. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you will not miss our weekly videos. And we will see you next week.